welcome back to another video on Crazy Dave's crew of the Ipsy Glam bag opening. Yay! Kinda happy when I saw the spoiler, because you can see that if you really want to. I like seeing it just so I know like what to expect. And this time, usually I get something extra, like a little add-on or something. But this time around I was really excited about it. I didn't pick out anything and I liked what I got. Here's the baggie. It's cute. It's even got a little Tetris thing because during this time, within the last month, Ipsy had released a makeup line for Tetris theme, kind of. So they're really marketing it with this. Where I have this cute little red Tetris themed baggie with the little red Tetris block zipper, if you can see that. If my fat fingers were not in the way. Dude, let's just get right into it. So the first product is the Fluid Secret Project Robot nail polish. I have not used this one yet, but it is a very beautiful, vibrant blue. And I'm excited to use it when I get around to it, when I get the time to actually properly do my nails, but it's very pretty. It can go with mainly any dark clothes. I hoped to wear it this time around for today with this outfit, but didn't have a lot of time. But I'll get that eventually. Next off, we have the I Do Care Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask. Now I have used this one because I do like, testing the products I get to see if I like it, to give like an honest review, kind of. And it is so pretty and it felt so good and left my skin actually really soft. It's been soft for a couple of days. I haven't done much to it other than wash it. Didn't use much moisturizer or lotion or whatever, and just did the trick. And there's a little lid. And then the inside is just as you would expect it. It is very holographic. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but it is a very liquidy product, and it is very, very pretty. It's very shiny. I also like the color of the little container. It's cute. It is a holographic peel-off mask infused with ruby powder, pearl powder, rose water, hyaluronic, I think, acid to hydrate and revitalize dry skin. So, definitely did that. Next one is the Tetris and Ipsy Eye Shadow for the Tetris theme. They had these going around. It seemed like in most of the glam bags, they at least had it in the add-ons, where they give you like little samples of these. So I thought that was pretty cool as you try out something new. It is in the shade Game Night, and it is just this pretty, glittery, shimmery gold color, and it is so pretty. I'm wearing it right now. I don't know if it actually shows on camera, but combined it with a Huda Beauty smoky, and I made the shimmer like the main middle. But it's very shiny. I don't know if it shows up on camera too well, but it is very pretty. I'm very happy with that. And it's on the finger pretty well too. Next product is the Sorry Not Sorry Moisturizing Lipstick. And it is in the shade Rose Pink. And I am also wearing this right now. I did my whole face today as best I could with all of these. It is such a pretty color, and it's small for, just gotta say, slightly disappointed with this, but it actually lasts pretty well. It goes on real smooth, and it actually stays on. It's like, not fully, you can still rub off, but not as much. Give that a few minutes to dry, and I'll show. And finally, we have Sugar. I don't know, I think that's the brand, yeah. Sugar Contour Mini Highlighter 01 Champagne Champion. At least I think I did that all in the right order. I'm not fully sure, but it's just this pretty light highlighter. I'm wearing this one too. It goes on real nice, and it's a decent little shimmer. It doesn't show up too well, but it's like, it's calm, I could say it is. It's real nice. It's very powdery. And of course we have a little card. And this time it was a cute little block party. Welcome to the block party for their new makeup line with Tetris. Kicking off this summer bright. Think rainbow hued glam bags stacked with vibrant shadows, shimmering gloss, megawatt highlighters, and more. So that sounds promising. But yeah, that is everything. Forgot about the lipstick. It comes off pretty well, but at the same time it stays on pretty well. It's not like I need an instant reapplication to fix it, because it can stay for like half the day. But yeah, that is about it for this month of June 2019 Glam Bag. Hope you enjoyed. But if you liked, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when we post. And that's about it. I will be back next month. Bye.